Get ready for a thrilling attack. The roar of the engine, the cracking of the wood, and the sight of giant trees falling in an instant. This video will leave you speechless. This is an unprecedented tree cutting that goes beyond all limits, where the power of technology and nature come together. A sight not to be missed. Imagine a sequoia so large that it takes 2 days to cut it down. But that's exactly what happened at Alder Creek Grove, where a giant sequoia, once towering over the earth, is now threatened by a raging fire. The tree was burned beyond repair, and Tar County officials had to make the difficult decision to remove it to prevent further damage. It's a stark reminder of the devastating power of wildfires and the struggle between nature and humanity in the face of these disasters. 3 minutes, just 3 minutes. That's all it takes for a mature tree to touch the ground, a humbling moment that reminds us of our place in this world. Respect for trees, respect for the skill of the logger. That's the message of this video. Have you ever dreamed of turning logs into firewood with the snap of your fingers? Don't worry, the Bell 8000 firewood processor circular saw will make your dreams come true. With 125 horsepower, this electric monster cuts through logs with ease, leaving perfect pieces of firewood in no time. Anyone who works in the forestry industry knows how important speed is. The Bell 8000 is more than just a tool. It's a revolution in cutting and processing wood, making the job faster and more efficient than ever. Strength isn't the only factor. The AI RT800 Raptor's true power lies in its sustainable approach. By mulching those stumps and returning them to the earth, it contributes to building a healthy forest for generations to come. It's not just about cutting trees, it's about nurturing the environment and ensuring that the cycle of life continues. There's an old saying, do not cut the branch you're sitting on. I'd say it applies to sitting on a tree trunk too. Fortunately, this guy knows exactly what he's doing. Okay, the Cat 323 isn't just a machine. It's a powerhouse that performs like a seasoned veteran. With its rugged digging arm and a 172 horsepower Cat C 7.1 engine, it dominates even the most demanding excavation tasks, tearing through stubborn roots and stumps with ease. This excavator is built for the long haul, designed to deliver top-notch productivity while minimizing downtime on any job site. Sure, the old-timers will tell tales of white-knuckle drives through mountain passes, but ask them what they think of this machine's performance, and you'll get a different story. One of power, reliability, and sheer efficiency. Really, it's the simple things. The rumble of the cab, the smell of diesel and pine needles on a hot summer day, watching the wind turn through the fields. Those are the memories that stick with you long after you've hung up your keys. But in the world of forestry, there's no time to slow down, and the RSL UK 16-inch Mark I tree shear is here to take things to the next level. This game-changing piece of equipment offers a powerful grip and precise cutting action, providing unmatched control even when working with the toughest hardwoods. With full 360-degree rotation and the ability to handle any task with ease, this tree shear redefines what's possible in forestry work, making every cut faster, cleaner, and more efficient. Operating at lower pressures, this shear maximizes efficiency without sacrificing power. Built to last with high-quality components, it's an investment that will pay off for years to come, offering long-term reliability and performance. But while the RSL UK 16-inch Mark I tree shear pushes the boundaries of forestry equipment, it's crucial to remember the importance of safety. This video underscores the vital need for proper safety equipment and constant vigilance when felling trees. With the right tools and precautions, the job can be done effectively and safely, ensuring both productivity and protection on the job site. From the ascent to the pruning and the clearing, each phase is laden with potential hazards. But finally, the giant was conquered. The Jobo WP50 woodpecker is a revelation for small-scale forestry operations. It's a powerhouse that effortlessly handles both logging and firewood production. Its impressive performance isn't just about raw power. Its low oil consumption makes it the perfect choice for efficiency and sustainability. Whether you're tackling tough jobs or looking to streamline your operations, the WP50 provides the reliability you need while keeping operating costs low and productivity high. I've spent decades in this industry, and the TWF 180 is the most formidable mulcher I've ever encountered. It's engineered like a fortress, operates flawlessly, and delivers results that leave clients beaming. Sure, at $36,000, it's a significant investment, but when you consider the time and labor it conserves, it becomes a strategic decision. Witness it, conquer that stubborn stump, and you'll truly grasp its value. There's a certain beauty in watching raw power in action. Each pass of the mulcher effortlessly transforming obstacles into mulch. Its efficiency, power, and precision all wrapped up in one incredible machine. Logs being processed into lumber, the scale and efficiency of these operations are a testament to years of refinement in the industry. It's a powerful reminder of how far we've come in terms of technology and resource management. Gisors, strategically located on New Zealand's North Island, presents an ideal opportunity for afforestation initiatives. Its favorable climate fosters rapid tree growth, while its moderately sloped terrain provides the perfect environment for sustainable forestry practices. This combination of natural advantages and advanced techniques ensures that Gisors is not just a hub for lumber production, but also a beacon for the future of sustainable resource management. The region's terrain is ideal for efficient planting and harvesting, supported by a strong forestry infrastructure and easy access to a world-class port, making it perfect for timber export. Enter the Scania R770 V8, a game-changing truck that pushes the limits of size and efficiency. At 34 meters long, it's even larger than a blue whale, with a massive weight capacity that sets new industry standards. Powered by a high-performance engine and advanced design, the Scania R770 delivers unmatched efficiency and precision, making it the ultimate choice for transporting timber over long distances. On slopes like these, felling a centuries-old cedar is more than just logging. It's a delicate dance. Every move, from the cut to the rope, is made with precision. One mistake, and the mountainside turns dangerous. These loggers are true masters, blending skill and courage at every step. Ever seen a log become lumber? The R635B frame saw is the star of the show. With its powerful blades slicing through wood effortlessly, it transforms logs into high-quality lumber in no time. Fast, efficient, and precise, the R635B is a must-have for any sawmill operation. It's old school now, but trust me, watching it in action, pure magic. I must confess, I'm a bit of a John Deere enthusiast. The sheer power and precision of these machines never cease to amaze me. From the rumble of the engine to the rhythmic clack of the harvester head, every aspect of their operation is a symphony of efficiency. I could watch them work for hours on end. There's something mesmerizing about the seamless blend of raw strength and delicate precision. Any fellow fans out there? Let me know in the comments. Let's talk about these incredible machines. Ever tried wrestling a giant log with a handsaw? Not fun, right? Well, the CTR75GX Mobile is here to save the day. It's like a lumberjack on steroids, slicing through 75-centimeter logs like butter. So precise, you'll think it has laser vision. And with its powerful petrol engine, it's always ready for action, no matter how remote your workshop is. Okay, $177,000 might sound like a lot, but trust me, it's cheaper than therapy after a log wrestling mishap. So ditch the chainsaw and embrace the future of woodworking. Your back will thank you. You just use a simple pulley system in a car, and that stump gets yanked out like it's nothing. That's the power of physics. Oh my gosh, saws, damn. Pros know how to drop it like it's hot and get out of there. Safety first, right? Better safe than sorry. I bet this is a first for you all. The Caterpillar 309CR is rocking a saw and a grapple. It can reach up high to trim branches and then scoop up all the mess. Pretty clever, huh? What do you think? It's the perfect combination of power and precision, ready to tackle any job with efficiency and safety in mind.